For sale, 2020 International CV515 Crew Cab Dump Truck 4x4. For sale is a professional-grade crew cab dump truck engineered for contractors, municipalities, and fleet operators who require a durable, highly capable work vehicle that can perform across a wide range of heavy-duty applications. This truck delivers the strong presence and dependable operation expected from a medium-duty platform, offering confident performance on job sites, unpaved terrain, or daily operational routes. The crew cab configuration provides valuable seating capacity for work crews, making it ideal for operations that need to transport personnel and equipment in a single vehicle. Its dump body is designed for efficient material handling, supporting tasks such as debris removal, aggregate transport, landscaping operations, and construction hauling. The truck's build quality, clean condition, and professional presentation reflect responsible ownership and disciplined upkeep, allowing it to be integrated immediately into active service without additional preparation. For organizations seeking a reliable, rugged, and versatile dump truck capable of handling demanding workloads, this unit stands as a strong and practical investment.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.